Tell me what you just said.
I
I didn't hear what you said.
Brady's rude.
He is.
Yes.
Why?
Because he wouldn't let me play with him.
He wouldn't.
No.
He said you were hitting him with the tennis racket.
I didn't do it again.
You hit him once though? But then you didn't do it again?
No. I didn't hit him yet.
No.
No.
Well, you said you didn't hit him again.
No. I was just pretending.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, when you were pretending, did the racket touch him?
No. Yeah.
Yeah.
I just pretending.
But it hit. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you said he's the rudest?
Yeah.
He's the rudest what?
He's the rudest boy ever.
Ever?
Yeah, I don't want to know Brady's anymore.
Oh my goodness.
Brady's the rudest guy. I'm putting him throw him away or something. Not.